Water cycle is a continuous natural process that circulates water between the Earth's surface, the atmosphere and the underground reservoirs, ensuring that life on Earth never runs out of this vital resource. It begins when the sun heats oceans, rivers, lakes and soil, causing water to change into water vapor through the process of evaporation. At the same time, plants contribute to this cycle through transpiration, where they release water vapor into the air. The small pores in their leaves together evaporation and transpiration called evapotranspiration send large amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere. As this vapor rises and encounters the cooler air, it undergoes condensation, changing back into tiny droplets, liquid water or ice crystals. These droplets gather around the dust particles and form clouds, which grow heavier and condensation continues. Eventually when the droplets or ice crystals become too heavy to remain suspended, they fall back to the earth as precipitation in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Once precipitation reaches the ground, the water follows different paths. Some of it flows over the land surface as runoff, collecting in rivers, lakes, and oceans, while another portion seeps into the soil through infiltration. The infiltrated water may be absorbed by the plants or percolate deeper into the ground, becoming part of groundwater aquifers that supply wells, springs, underground reservoirs. Gravity constantly pulls water downhill, guiding runoff into streams and rivers, which eventually return to the oceans where evaporation can begin again, completing the water cycle. This entire process is powered mainly by solar energy and influenced by gravity, making it both endless and balanced. The water cycle is not only a physical process but also an essential ecological one. It maintains the availability of fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and industry. It sustains ecosystems such as wetlands, rivers, and forests, and it plays a crucial role in regulating climate and weather patterns by moving heat and moisture across the globe. Without it, rainfall would not occur, soils would dry out, rivers would stop flowing, and life would not be able to survive. However, human activities are increasingly disturbing the natural cycle. Deforestation reduces transpiration, changing rainfall patterns. Urbanization increases surface runoff and reduces infiltration, leading to floods and water shortages. Pollution contaminates rivers and groundwater, making water unsafe. Climate change disrupts global weather, causing droughts in some regions and excessive rainfall in others. Despite these challenges, the water cycle continues as an unbroken system that has been functioning for billions of years ago, recycling the same molecules of water endlessly. In fact, the water we drink today may have once been part of the glacier, a cloud, or even inside a dinosaur millions of years ago. This illustrates how timeless and essential the cycle is for sustaining life. The water cycle is the heartbeat of our planet. In conclusion, the water cycle is the heartbeat of our planet, ensuring that water, the most precious resource, keeps moving through nature to support all forms of life, maintain ecosystems, and regulate the Earth's environment in a perfectly balanced way.